Xbox.
What's up, this is Ricardo, and in this video I'll show you how to remove the DC jack from a Dell Inspiron 11 version 3152. If you're looking for parts for this laptop, go to our website and use this coupon for a 5% off discount. First, remove screws, then carefully pry up and unsnap bottom cover. Then remove screws, then unplug and loosen hard drive cable. Now remove battery. Then unplug fan cable. Next, loosen screws and remove heatsink. Then remove screws and lift caddy out of laptop. Next, unscrew and remove LCD cable bracket. Now unplug display and LCD cables. Next, unplug keyboard, touchpad, and speaker cables. Unplug DC jack. Now unscrew and remove motherboard. Then unscrew and remove DC jack. Need more? Check out these other tutorials. For batteries, click here. For hard drives, click here. For wireless cards, click here. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give this video a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Check the video description below for links to written tutorials and replacement parts.